In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an indicator in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the platform, creating custom indicators can greatly enhance your trading strategy. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you'll want to have TradingView open and ready to go. Once you're looking at any chart of your choice, direct your attention to the bottom panel of your screen. There, you'll notice a tab labeled Pine Editor. Go ahead and click on that tab. The Pine Editor is where all the magic happens, as this is TradingView's dedicated space for coding and customizing your indicators. Next, we're going to start a brand new indicator. Within the Pine Editor, you'll find an Open drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down, and you'll be given the option to select New Indicator. Choosing this will set up a fresh canvas for you to start working on your custom code, or if you've previously worked on an indicator, now's your chance to create something entirely new. Now, with your fresh slate open in the Pine Editor, it's time to either create your own code or paste one you've selected from another source. If you're writing your own, this is where your creativity and strategy come into play. But if you have some pre-written code, make sure it's the correct format for TradingView's Pine script language. Carefully review the code to ensure it reflects what you want your indicator to assess or signal on the chart. Moving on, it's crucial to save your progress and see the fruits of your labor in action. Look for the Save button. Click it and give your indicator a memorable name. Something like MA Crossover might work if that's relevant to your strategy. Naming it clearly will help you identify it easily later on, especially if you build multiple indicators over time. After saving, the next critical step is to add it to your chart. There's an option right there labeled Add to Chart. Once you click it, take a moment to observe as your freshly minted indicator springs to life on your chart. You should now see any signals or modifications that your indicator is programmed to show. Congratulations! You've just created and implemented your own custom indicator in TradingView. This powerful tool should now give you better insights and sharper signals, tailored specifically to your trading needs. Don't forget, practice and little tweaks here and there can further refine the efficiency and effectiveness of the indicators you create. I hope you found this guide helpful in expanding your TradingView skills. Experiment with the Pine Editor and different codes to fully leverage what TradingView's custom indicators can do for you. Stay tuned for more trading tips and tutorials.